Yo, what's going on, AS soldiers? It's your boy Anthony. Welcome back to another banger video. So if you guys like the video, make sure you guys get started. Hit that like button down below if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell button to notify everything on top of crazy content like this. I'm posting daily now on my YouTube channel. You guys definitely do not want to miss it. Follow me on my Instagram, add me up on my Snapchat, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to give you guys a little house tour. If you guys did not know, I have officially moved from my other house, so I'm going to do you guys a little bit of a house tour, because this is actually a house instead of an apartment, so this is actually a house. So let's do it. Let's start off with my room. Alright guys, this is pretty much my room, and this is pretty much where I'm going to be recording videos, most likely. Just going to be in this room a little bit. Look how big my freaking closet is, guys. I've got mostly everything in my closet. Mostly everything. Everything is in my closet, everything. So, this is pretty much where I'm going to be recording videos. This room right here is my mother's room. And this is our bathroom right here, guys. Now, as you guys can tell, again, this is just stairs. This is an empty bedroom. I don't know what we're going to use this bedroom for, but obviously probably my brother is coming over. And here's Grace's room. I don't go in there. But if you don't know who Grace is my mother's friend. So, back downstairs, you guys can see this huge ass dining room right here. Along with the living room. I've done a couple of things off screen. Like I've been moving stuff around. Been doing all that nonsense. There's another closet here. These couches are pretty much comfortable, guys. And over here is my kitchen. Like again, guys, this is like the biggest house. This door right here leads to the basement, which I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna do a bunch of paranormal stuff in the basement. I'm not sure. But here we have half a bathroom right here. So that's pretty much my house, guys. If you guys really like my video, make sure you guys can show your support, man. Hit that like button down below if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell button so you'll notify everything on top of crazy content like this. Again, I'm going to be posting daily now, and you guys definitely do not want to miss it. Follow me on my Snapchat. I'm highly active on my Snapchat. Follow me on my Instagram. It's at Hardy_Anthony Band. I'm also going to link that down in the description below. It's your boy Anthony, and I'll see you guys next time. And as always, AS soldiers, peace out.